Well, hello there, ladies and gents. I'm Tammy Sipniewski. Thank you so much for popping back my channel. And that is what we are going to learn today. That nice slide open transition or slide open intro. It was requested from one of my subs, and you guys all know I always respond to all of my comments, and I try to get to all of the requests just as soon as I can. So let's go ahead and jump on into it. First thing that you want to do is go ahead and choose the clip that you want to work with. So let me get to my clips. And I am going to pick this one of a cute little kitten that my brother is fostering at his shop. Now, when you're doing this slide open transition, choose the area that you want to have it appear at. But bear in mind, you're going to lose about 3 seconds at the beginning because we need about 3 seconds to have the box appear and then the box to slide open. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the beginning of that out. I'll go all the way to the beginning. And yep, right about at the 3-second mark is where I want it to open because I want the cat to be right there. That looks perfect. So let's go ahead and double tap on that clip. Now let's go to frame and fit and make sure we're all the way at the very beginning. So if you're not at the beginning, just hit the leftmost arrow back key to make sure that you are. The first thing that we want to do is go to cropping. Now we are going to pull down the top to 50% and bring up the bottom 50%. Now here's where we want to drop the very first keyframe to lock in that cropped position. So now you have to decide how long you want to have that black screen. So I'm going to say probably about a second. And if you're filming in 24 frames a second, then it's going to be 0.24 is going to be your second mark. So I am going to drop my next keyframe there at about a second. Now, how slowly do you want your frame to open? I want mine to open in about 2 seconds. So I am going to advance that another 2 seconds. So basically at the 3-second mark, I think looks good. Now what we want to do is pull open the top and pull open the bottom. And that's automatically going to drop its own keyframe. But let's say that you want to have those bars at the top and the bottom. You know how some people like the cinematic bars? They just have a little bit of black right there at the top and bottom. You may also leave it there if you want, but I'm just going to pull it all the way open. And let's just see how this looks. Awesome. And look how cute she is. Hello, 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 hi. And there you go. That is how simple it is to do the reveal intro or the slide open transition. If you have any requests, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll get to them just as soon as I can. I thank you so much for joining me, and until next time, wear your sunblock.